online learners and digital knowledge seekers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you thrive in the world of online education. Today, we've got a topic that's incredibly relevant: 5 tips for success in online learning. Whether you're a seasoned online student or just starting your virtual educational journey, these tips will help you excel in the digital classroom. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Set up a dedicated learning space. Create a designated learning environment that's free from distractions. Whether it's a corner of your room, a cozy nook, or a quiet coffee shop, having a dedicated space helps you stay focused. Tip 2. Establish a routine. Structure your day with a routine. Set specific times for classes, study sessions, and breaks. A routine provides consistency and helps you manage your time effectively. Tip 3. Stay organized. Organize your digital workspace. Keep track of assignments, due dates, and class materials. Use digital tools like calendars and task lists to stay on top of your coursework. Tip 4. Engage actively. Actively participate in your online classes. Interact with instructors and classmates through discussions, forums, and video chats. Engagement enhances your understanding and makes the learning experience more enjoyable. Tip 5. Practice self-discipline. Develop self-discipline. Online learning requires motivation and self-control. Set goals, eliminate distractions, and hold yourself accountable for your progress. And there you have it, 5 essential tips for success in online learning. Remember, online education offers incredible flexibility and opportunities, but your success depends on how effectively you manage your time and resources. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow online learners. Thanks for watching, and may your online learning journey be filled with knowledge, growth, and success.